Time now for what is always one of my favorite segments, not just speaking with an incredible guest, but a guest who just rang the iconic closing bell. Say hello to the man himself, Brian John. He is the CEO of Off the Hook Yachts. I have done so many interviews in my career here. Might be the coolest name for a company I've ever heard of. Welcome to the big board. Nice to have you.
Great to be here. Appreciate it.
What was the experience like ringing the bell? And give us a bit of an introduction to Off the Hook Yachts for anyone a bit unfamiliar, Brian.
So it was absolutely fantastic to ring the bell. Off the Hook Yachts, we're the largest buyer and seller of used boats in the entire country. So we set the market for used boats. We're like, think of the Kelley Blue Book for used boats. That's us.
Yeah, go ahead.
So very momentous for us to go public. Because we went public, we were able to access capital, which the company's never had before in its 13-year operating history. It's always been organic growth, profitable every year for 13 years, but, begging for Peter to pay Paul. And because we went public, we raised $15 million, and that was able to give us the ability to increase our floor plan, which is our line of credit we use to buy boats with through a bank, from $25 million to $60 million, which we announced this morning, which was huge. So big day for the company.
Yeah, and this was a big down day writ large for the broader major market indexes, but I'm taking a look here at the stock, and Off the Hook Yachts up 3.4%. Talk to me a bit about kind of growth strategies and what you think 2026 looks like for the company, Brian.
Yeah, we'll continue to grow like we have. We put out guidance every quarter. People can sit on our quarterly earnings calls so if they want that information. I'm not going to give guidance on this interview though. So, but yeah, the stock's starting to react well. Unfortunately, we put out some fantastic news today. We also got our first research report was written by our bank, ThinkEquity, today. You should take a look at that. It calls for a $10 price in 2026, which was released by them today. So a big day for us press-wise and company performance-wise, but unfortunately, like you said, it came out in a day when the market's down 700 points. So hopefully over the next couple of days, we'll see some reaction to our good news.
Yeah, fair enough. I know you're here in town for the New York Boat Show, which is going on at Jacob Javits Center. Give us a bit of an introduction to the work that you and the firm are doing here at the Javits Center for anyone a bit unfamiliar.
Yeah, basically, so we focus on new boats. I'm sorry, we don't do new boats. We focus on used boats and used boats only. So we're not at the boat shows advertising boats for sale. We go to the boat shows because we're like the Manheim for the boat business. So we take all trades from the dealers. So we roll around the boat shows more or less to meet brokers and to meet other dealers that we can take trades from and buy boats from.
About out of time, any tailwinds you think that most support pre-owned yacht demand in today's ecosystem and environment?
Well, fortunately, it's an inverse relationship. Usually when new boats are doing not doing so well, which has been the case for the last couple of years, we excel during those times because they only have so much room on their floor plans. They only have so much room to put boats in their lines, and 3 or 4 deals have a trade. So what do you do with those trades? Just sell them to us.
The ticker symbol OTH, the company Off the Hook Yachts, the CEO, Brian John. Congratulations on everything. Thanks for joining us. Welcome back.
Thank you.
Come back to the New York Stock Exchange.
Absolutely.